Hello, young explorers. Are you ready for an amazing story about the very first people? Let's go on an adventure to learn about Adam, Hawa, and a special garden called Jannah. Once upon a time, Allah created Adam and Hawa, the first man and woman. Allah loved them very much and wanted them to be happy. Can you imagine a garden where you never have to work for your food and everything is perfect? That's Jannah. It was filled with beautiful trees, colorful flowers, and delicious fruits of all kinds. Allah told Adam and Hawa, "Live here and enjoy everything, except for one thing." Want to know what that one thing was? Allah said, "Don't go near this special tree." But why? Well, Allah was teaching Adam and Hawa an important lesson about listening and following rules, even when we don't understand why. Now remember Iblis? He's the one who didn't listen to Allah before. Iblis was jealous of Adam and Hawa and wanted to cause trouble for them. Allah warned Adam, "Be careful. Iblis is not your friend. He might try to trick you. He can whisper thoughts into your heart, but you can't see him." But how could Iblis get into the beautiful garden? He needed help. Can you guess who helped him? It was the snake. Back then, snakes were beautiful and friendly creatures. They had lovely colors and could even change their appearance. The snake thought it was being kind by helping Iblis. It didn't know that sometimes, even when we think we're being nice, we might accidentally help someone do something wrong. That's why it's important to think carefully about our actions and who we help. So, what can we learn from this story? Allah loves us and wants us to be happy. It's important to listen to rules, even if we don't understand why. We should be careful about who we help and what we agree to do. Can you think of a time when you had to follow a rule, even if you didn't want to? How did it make you feel? Remember, young explorers, Allah cares for us and gives us rules to keep us safe and happy. Always try to make good choices. Thank you for joining our adventure today. Until next time, be kind, be curious, and remember, Allah is always watching over you.
Dear children, parents, and anyone who's listening, it is really important for you to recognize that these videos have to be coupled with exercises and discussions with your parents or within yourself using some of the tools that are available on the internet. So as a follow-up action, I would suggest and I would request you to go and look up the instructions and the discussion points that are in the comments related to this lecture.